reviewing this outdoor wall light. It's an exterior wall light. It's about 17 inches tall, and it has a really cool black finish with seated glass. You can see how well it is packaged right here. Let's go ahead and pull it out. See that slide? That is a good quality packaging. Even looks like it comes with a spare part, which is an extra sheet of the glass. So that's nice if it ever gets damaged that you have this, because you know how hard it can be to get spare parts for this kind of thing. Open it up. Look at that. Have your install parts right here. And the wall light, very cool. I like that the glass is already installed in it, which is always nice. There's even more styrofoam in the center of this to make sure none of the glass gets messed up. I've reviewed lots of lights, and sometimes they ship these separately to save on packaging, or you have to install it, but this is all ready to go. You can see the detail on this. Really nice black finish. Looks really good. Has a little bit of beaded glass. Not too many beads to it. Not like overly beaded. It's very subtle. It kind of looks like, I'm just going to pull this off the wall in my old-timey, turn of the century house and walk around with it, which is really cool. But I think it's going to look great. So after taking this top mount off, I want to just show you how secure all of the glass is in there. Pretty cool design, how it has these clamps right here with crush washers and everything. I really like that, and you get a little bit better look at the beaded glass. And there's just two very hidden screws that hold it all on. Look at that. Great finish on everything. This comes with a pretty cool bracket. You can put it like this, screw it into the wall, then you move it to the side. Really cool. So first thing you want to do is you get your wall box and your bracket, and thread this into the wall. Then you go ahead and connect your black wire to your black. On mine, I have two black wires, but it's been marked off. So make sure to get a voltage meter and tester and just confirm which one is hot. But your black wire goes to your hot, and then your white wire goes to the other one, which is normally white. Of course, I'm not a professional and consultant electrician. Twist them together. Make sure to connect the ground as well. So here it is, all installed. Nice big size. Looks like a lantern. You can see very the bubble glass. It's very faint on this one. It's not a lot of big marks or anything. Individual sheets of glass right here look good. I like how it has these screws that integrate it so the top is like one piece. Nice and ornate. Looks good mounted on the wall. Very impressed with this light. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.